My name is Tolai. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your update bottom here in your sibling registration table. Uh, Whenever you want to update, then it will just update automatically. Like here, John Lado. If you click here, update, then you see all the information of John Lado here. If you want to if you want to change the name, or you want to add the name, or you want to change the date of birth, and also the status, even the ID. If you want to change, you can change anything from there. So what you do, you come to your BS code. In your BS code here, you have your BS code here. You have the data. You have the database connection, which is MySQL Connect, localhost, root, PubMedDB. So you come to your sibling PHP. Here you have your database operations, which is here. Require once db connect PHP, and you also have the submit operations for the submit operation or the insert operations, which is containing the submit sibling details, which is containing the name, date of birth, status, and gender. You also have the insert informations, which is also here, whereby if it is successful, then you will say record successfully. If it failed, then we'll say check your code again. Now here you also have the delete operations, which is containing containing, like, if you want to delete from sibling, where sibling is equal to auto ID. Now what we are going to do here, it is update sibling details. This is your update operations. What you are going to update, it is auto ID, sibling name, sibling date of birth, sibling marital status, and gender. So you write your SQL code here for updating panel. Now you'll say update sibling, set sibling name is equal to name, sibling date of birth, which is equal to this variable date of birth, sibling marital status equal to this variable status, gender is equal to this variable gender, where sibling ID is equal to this variable auto ID. Now here, and you write your MySQL here. If it accepts, then you will say updated successfully. Now here, in this form, in this header, if you want to connect your HTML code or PHP code with stylish sheets, like this one of mine, I've connected with stylish sheet. This is my stylish sheet. I've done my stylish sheet here. Then you write here link. You'll open link rel stylish sheet herix stylish sheet herix stylic.css. Then you will link yours with what? With CSS, which is here. So now here you will put this update funnel here where the body is. Yeah, after it you come to the body, then you put this update operation here with all these informations. And also don't forget to add this echo variable, which is containing the PHP codes. So you put this one here, so that whenever the name comes, whenever you want to update name, then it will work automatically. Also the same to date of birth, it will also work automatically. Also the same to status, also it will work automatically. Unlike to gender, the same thing. Then if you want to hide the auto ID, if you don't want to see the auto ID, you write here hide this place. You write here hide this area. You write here hide. So if you want to show, then you can just put text instead. Now here also you write here submit update. This way it will submit your update. Or else you put that information, the current information that was here, where you insert your form details. Then it will still work out the same. It will update the form. Then if you want to insert, you can also insert the form. That's why you say that when you put health here. So from here you will also do the same thing. We'll say submit. It will submit the form details. Then if you want to reset or you want to reset something when you are inserting, then it will also reset from here. You can just say delete, then you will delete from there. Now here this is also retrieval operations. Like if you say select from sibling, this way it can also retrieve, and you put all information here. Now here in this table, this is your table heads. The table is having name, date of birth, status, gender. Then now here this is the action method, it false. Then the input here, you put your echo with this variable, which is auto ID, whereby it is hide, so that whenever you insert, then this one will be hidden. The auto ID will be hidden here. So also it will submit the delete and the value, the delete name and the value is removed. So at the title they delete, but in the tables, the table head, it will show remove. Now here you'll put another table head, which is you'll put another table head with the actions, form actions, and method is false, whereby you'll put the auto ID, the name, this variable auto ID, variable name, variable date of birth, variable status, variable gender, and also don't forget to put the variable update records. You will also put that one on the records. Then from here, after you are done from here, then your code now it is now perfect. Then you save it. Now you come here, then you click here, you refresh, then you see now your code will come like this. Now here let's try to do for one example. I was just taking you through that, but let's try to do one example here. Let me update Mary Lado. Here let's put another name. I've added here John. Then you say register. Now you will see it is Mary Lado John. You also Cholai, you also update Cholai. Update. Then you register. I had the James, then you register. Then you see here, check Cholai, you'll get Cholai James. So these are the few methods on how you can add the update button to your system. So thank you for watching. We shall continue next time.